Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your Week 8 Screencast video. I'm recording this on Friday morning. I plan to spend the Easter weekend holiday visiting family, so I thought I'd have this posted up to Blackboard prior to Sunday and Monday. Um, Beginning in the announcement section, just take a look at the week's activities. On Tuesday, the 3rd, you have the drafts of the instructions assignment. We're finishing up this unit in week 8 before moving on to the jobs package in chapter 15. So on Tuesday, your initial draft of the instructions assignment is due. Friday, responses, and then on Sunday, the final revised version of assignment 3 is due end of day before moving on, like I said, to chapter 15 in the jobs package. So I want to point out to everybody the chapter quizzes. I've opened up all the chapter quizzes that we've had to date. I've had some requests. However, take a look at your scores. I have graded everything that has been submitted in English 1105 Net 10. If there is a score in less than 100% in your on your quiz that you had taken, you might want to take a look at the answers. I've straightened out any issues as far as interpretation or extra words or misspellings and given credit for those particular questions. So you might want to take the opportunity to review your scores in the chapter quizzes. All of those are open. So moving on to the course units in the chapter 12, unit 4 course unit, we're going to continue our work with writing instructions. I'm hoping everybody had the opportunity to view the video on active and passive voice. I found it to be one of the most concise and beneficial instructional videos on active and passive voice. So this week, discussion board 6, which is your draft of assignment 3. Please read the post here instructions carefully. I'm looking for steps 1 and step 2 in the draft. Please include your last name in the subject line for the initial post. It helps me in looking at drafts and responding. Okay, and as usual, by Friday, 2 responses are due. Now, in the assignment 3 instructions, make sure that you take a good read of these. Now, I've given you an example here in the instructions. This is not your assignment. It does not have all the components of your assignment. This is from an earlier 1105 course that had different instructions, but it gives you an idea of the type of methods and formatting used to format, I should say, to write instructions for inserting an image into a Word document. As you scroll through, it gives you the options for text wrapping. What this assignment does not have is an example of how an image might work inside text itself, which I asked for in the instructions. Also, it does not have step 2, the usability questions that are included in your assignment instructions. All right, so if you need any clarifications, please send me an email. Once again, this is not your assignment, but it does give you an idea about writing instructions and how they correlate in steps and also in images. All right. If you have any further issues regarding chapter quizzes, revisions, you want to send me an email this week, I will set up a revision date for the correspondence assignment sometime in the next week. Take a look at my comments. Be sure you open up the Word document or PDF and look at my comments. Um, get a good idea of the reasoning for my grading and also any types of strategies that you might want to consider in moving forward. All right, hope everybody had a good break and has a wonderful Easter holiday. Good luck.